What's up, my beautiful people? As you can see, it's your boy Maggy. And as I always say, one Maggy films and never two. Alright, so you know, so Maggy, me always a think outside of the galaxy, right? Yeah, man, so me have a brand new channel. Remember the channel when name Maggy Jam Ventures? Yeah, man, me have that as my backup channel for Maggy Films, right? So we're gonna move on to another channel now. It's called Maggy's Showdown Games. Now on that channel, we'll be doing a lot of fun activities such as treasure hunts, endurance stunts, wild challenges, and food contests, right? So guess what? Well, mainly I can do it on a Sunday evening, so you don't know. Probably after you watch a movie upon a choice, you can tune into a channel where I just talk about and take in some games, right? Maggy's Showdown Games. Remember, you know, whole heap of burger eating contest, you name it, pizza eating contest, rum drinking contest. You don't know now, we're going to incorporate some of the actors and the actresses in the contest, as also some new faces, right? So, make you see if you can work now. So what I go on to do right now, tap your eyes now, you know, see me talk to people. Anyway, I'm Mr. Roaster that. Want to, in the meantime, go over the channel, subscribe to it, see it here? Subscribe to the channel, and let's get it up and running. See? Let's have some fun, let's go. Big up.
Maggy Showdown Games, the ultimate place for epic challenges and fun competition.
Welcome to the show.